This is Mayur Bardolia from North Star Angel, and this guided meditation will help you to heal your anger. Now, I want you to feel anger. Feeling anger. Sit upright and comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a few breaths. Become aware of your body. Now, tense your leg muscles. Intentionally make your leg muscles tense. And then relax the leg muscles. Relax the tension. And tense the muscles of the stomach and the chest and the back. Create tension in the upper body. And then relax. Relax the stomach. Relax the chest. Relax the back. And then tense the arms and the hands. Create a tight grip in your hands. Train your lower arm and upper arm and shoulders. Hold that tension and then relax the shoulders. Relax the arms and relax your hands. Allow your entire body to tense from head to toe. Create muscle tension in the whole body. Hold the tension. And then relax all your muscles. Relax the body. Release and let go. Allow all of your muscles to relax. They are just tense enough so that you can remain sitting. Now bring up a topic that caused fear or anger. Bring up a topic that caused fear or anger. But this time, don't tense a single muscle. Allow yourself to observe the memory or belief or thought that causes fear or anger, while keeping all of your muscles relaxed. Notice how, when you keep your muscles relaxed, it's difficult to maintain fear or anger. Because anger requires muscle tension. Learning to relax your muscles through the exercise we just did, or through warmth, or through sports, or through massage, helps you reduce your anger, reduce your stress. Negative beliefs and emotions are sometimes stored in the muscles, and relaxing the muscles can release many issues. Now stay aware of what you are angry about while keeping muscle tension low and while still keeping muscles relaxed. Stay aware of what you are angry about while being relaxed. And realize that your anger is passion reversed. So become aware of what you want instead. Instead of things that you are angry about, what do you want? What's the thing you would like to be passionate about? What's your vision? What do you like to do? And you will see that when your muscles are relaxed, it is easier to become aware of what you want instead of your vision. Rest into that vision. Allow it to be already so in consciousness. Allow it to already be so. Repeat this exercise on one topic of anger until you have conquered that particular anger. And once you have conquered that particular anger, you can do the same exercise on another topic of anger and repeat until you conquer that another one topic of anger. So if you think this session might be beneficial to someone who is struggling with anger, who wants to deal or heal the anger, then share it far and wide. My name is Mayur Bardolia from North Star Angel. Thank you very much.